I got up a little, like around 10 o'clock. It was a little late, so I gave Marvel his food, took him for a walk, and then made our tea and shake. Let me just show it to you, what I take every day in the morning. So Marvel is there in my room. He's trying to do something, I don't know what, but okay. So here is my shake and my tea. This is ready. And this is my breakfast every single day, mine and Mayang's. And Mayang is working over here. He is working here. Say
Morning!
hi.
You guys up for an amazing Tuesday?
So he's working there, and so Mara was chewing his bed, so I just kept it over here. And there he is. Say good morning. Say good morning. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean the house, make my bed, have my breakfast, and edit the video, second video for you guys, so you guys can enjoy it. Okay guys, Marvel, what happened? What do you want? Do you smell salmon? Do you smell salmon? Smell salmon? Salmon? So look at him, he's coming over here. Okay, so I'm making lunch, and this is what I'm making. This salmon fillet is for me, this is for Mayank. This is also one fillet, but I chopped it up. He loves it this way. I am making some cucumber yogurt to go with the salmon, and some peas on the side. Just the peas. So let's get cooking. What is happening over here? I What is happening?
It's belly scratching time, mommy. Look at these lips.
Oi, baby! Are you the cutest? Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi to everyone? Hi! You are so cute! Are you giving flying kisses? Okay, so let me get back to my cooking. So let's get started. Okay. So I have some fresh parsley, some salmon, onion. This is for the cucumber yogurt. So let me just finish off with this first. No, not this. Let me just, oh yeah. Let's do it. So I have some grated cucumber here, and I'm gonna add some Greek yogurt. Yogurt goes in here, and some, what do you want, baby? No, some garlic powder. Some a bit of salt and some black pepper pomegranate here and some lemon juice. That is it. Okay. So let's give this a mix for now. It's gonna be so delicious. Let's go. Give it to daddy. Let's go give it to daddy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Is daddy's lunch, Marvel?
Salmon with peas. Go. Peas.
It's gonna be so delicious. This is mine. So good. So, look at this guy. He will be always next to his daddy. Wherever his daddy is, he's gonna be there. And I am hungry, so this is what we're eating. This we love our protein bars. So this is like a cookie dough chocolate chip protein bar. Ooh. Wanna open it? Look at this! Oh my god. Mmm. So good.
We should try heating this up like
Yeah.
a real cookie and see what happens.
Mm. We are gonna go work out now in some time.
Okay, so we are going to the gym and we are finally back to our routine. We are going to the gym today after a couple of days. And if you guys are interested to check out our gym routines, go check out our other YouTube channel. It's called Stay Fit with the Fit Couple Cooks, and I'm gonna post the link in the description below, so make sure you check those channels out and enjoy working out and staying fit with us.
Yay! Gotta show me, I'm wearing my new clothes today. I'm wearing
And
my new clothes
if
today.
you guys checked out our previous episode 2, then you must have seen the Gymshark clothing that arrived. It's a UK brand, but it's really good. That's what I'm wearing.
And it's really comfortable.
It's very comfortable. They have seamless fitting, so it doesn't stuck while working out. They have long shirts so that they don't go up when you are working. So it's really nice. So check out Gymshark.
Mhm.
Okay, saying goodbye to this gym, and we are heading back home. This is our clubhouse. Feel like diving into the pool right now. Uh, do check out some HIIT workouts. If you like to just check out some at-home workouts, exercises, we have a channel which is called Stay Fit with the Fit Couple, and I'm gonna post the link in here. And slowly you're gonna see a lot of videos coming out, us talking about fitness and health and nutrition. And obviously if you're following this vlog, then you know what we do in a day, so that's not a surprise to you guys. But specifically, obviously we cannot record an hour-long workout in the vlog, so we have to do separate videos for our workouts and fitness and health. And we will not only that, but we will also try to do some of the informational videos for you guys,
Yeah.
so that you get some little information that can possibly help you with day-to-day routines. And she is amazing at home workouts, so she's gonna bring and record 20-minute at-home workouts,
HIIT workouts.
fat burning workouts, and we'll start posting them. So what you want next, feel free to ask us. Go enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and also go check out our Fit Couple Cooks for recipes, and stay fit with the Fit Couple for the fitness and health.
Yay.
Have fun, guys.
Okay, so we are back from the gym. I am making dinner, and for dinner we are gonna do shake, because you know shake is very good if you want to do, it's very, I mean, for dinner and for breakfast, because it's very easy to digest and it gives us all the vitamins and proteins, everything that our body needs. So I always use these shakes. These are Herbalife. These are from Herbalife, and I'm gonna be mixing dark chocolate with banana caramel and vanilla protein. So this is a typical shake that we always do in the morning and in the dinner, because Mayank is losing weight, so he needs to do a shake for dinner, and I also love doing the shakes. see how gorgeous and delicious. So shakes are, you know, usually very good for dinner because it's very easy to digest, and you always want to eat something before sleeping which is easy to digest. So, and we love these shakes. They are so delicious and so healthy. So let's take a bite. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. So guys, okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you really enjoy all the upcoming vlogs. And don't forget to subscribe or like and comment if you want any kind of new vlogs or anything. We are here for your requests. We'll do it. So bye bye, good night. We're gonna enjoy our dinner and we'll go off to sleep. So bye bye. Do you want to say good night? Do you want to say good night? Say good night.